Welcome to Mr. Belle Kitchen. Today, first of all, I'd like to thank all my subscribers, all my video watchers and haven't subscribed. When they're hot, they should subscribe. That's all you had to do. Ding! Hit that bell and you are subscribed to Mr. Belle Kitchen. Thank you for all my new subscribers. Been looking at my videos, leaving good comments and everything. Hope I've been getting back to you the best to my knowledge and everything. Just keep watching. Mr. Belle got more videos coming on. Today I'll be doing something special in this Power XL. It's going to be quick and easy. Today, what I'm going to be doing today, I'm just going to be frying some chicken. I picked up some chicken from Wimco in a plastic bag. It's not fried yet, but it's been seasoned. I have did some last week for the family to see how it tastes and everything. It came out all right, but it needs just a little more season on it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put some seasoning on this, and I'm going to try this out in the Power XL. Like I say, it come frozen. It's not fried yet. I'm fitting to fry it, but as you see how it look when it come in the bag, they say they season it and everything. It look like that. Probably stayed in there a little too long or something. But I'm going to add a little seasoning on it and I hope this come out good. Today, I'll be doing it in the Power XL. I will be frying it. For all my new watchers and wondering how this top come out, wondering where the other top go and everything, is very easy. That's all you do is lift it up, 1, 2, and off it go. So I'm gonna set this to the side. And today what I'll be doing, I'll be eyeballing a little oil in here, and I will be setting my Power XL on fry. So today my ingredients is I will be doing this chicken. I'll be adding a little more seasoning on it. I'll be adding a teaspoon of seasoned salt, a teaspoon of black pepper, and a teaspoon of salt. So I'll be putting on there. In the meantime, when I do that, I'm gonna start this Power XL. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put it on fry. Put that on fry. It's on fry, and I'm gonna set it for 375, which is on 375. And yeah, and then I'm gonna set the minutes for let it circulate. I'm gonna just put 55 minutes. I might not use all of it. Always remember, I'm gonna press start. Always remember while it's circulating, getting hot and everything, you can always add time to it, but you can't take the time back. So you probably want to start off with a low cook and everything till you get used to your Power XL and everything. So I'm just gonna eyeball a little this vegetable oil in there and everything, and put a little seasoning on there. Let that heat up and everything. So I'm gonna let that heat up and let it get nice and hot. I'm gonna set this to the side. Let it get hot and everything, but I'll just start putting this on just like this. Just put this little season on here, just like that. I'm gonna put it on both sides because you know we like our chicken very delicious and everything. And actually, it is some good chicken. I thought I'd just share and make a video out of it and everything. Just like that. Put that black pepper all over it and everything. So when this is nice and good, just do it just like that. Put it all over there so the seasoning will be nice and good in every bite. And you know, Miss Belle, I take you step by step and everything. I'm gonna flip this over and I'll be right back. Okay, you see it's still circulating and everything. If the grease is hot, you can put your chicken in and let it fry. You're gonna use less time. Let's test this grease out with a little water down and see if it's hot. Just a dab of water to tell you if it's hot. You can hear the pop, the grease is hot, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put it in. Put the chicken in just like that, just lay it in. As you see, I put a little seasoning on there. This right here is going to be very delicious and everything. Just drop that in, just like that. Side by side. Let that just cook all over. And like that. Let it cook. Just like that. What I'm going to do, I'm going to move my camera over so you won't see my face. So you get an idea how it's frying, how it's looking, what you think about it, and what you try. Yeah, so I'm going to put that in there. All my first time viewers, you know, the ones that watch Mr. Belle YouTube already know what Mr. Belle going to say right now. As this is cooking, wash your dishes as it cooks. Don't leave it for your spouse. Don't leave it for your roommate. Don't leave it for your kids. Don't leave it for your friend. That way everyone can enjoy the food. They might say they're not hungry or anything because they wonder who's going to wash the dishes. If you wash the dishes as it's cooking, everyone can enjoy this food. Mr. Belle will be right back. Okay, as you see, it's still circulating and everything, but the chicken is fried. Okay, it's going to the time, to the 55 minutes, so it's good. So, as you see, it's still frying and everything. It's looking nice and good, frying good. You can hear my voice, but you can't see my face. I'm just giving you an idea how it looks. Looking good. It's coming out pretty good. So I'm gonna let that fry just like that for a second, as you see. It's looking good. I got a couple more pieces I want to put in. And everything. What I'm going to do, I'm going to wait till I take this out. Okay, this batch looks like it's just about done. We're going to take this one out and everything. Just sit it on the plate. Take it out. Sit it right in, let the grease drain off it on the paper towel. As you see, they're coming out nice and good. Drain out. This right here is gonna be delicious with some nice vegetables. Just hit all this just like that. Now I have a second batch. I'm gonna just sit in here and let that cook. And everything, as you see, is coming out nice and good. Yes, coming out nice and good. And I'm gonna just put that second batch in and let it cook. Set the other pieces in there just like that. Like that. Let it cook. Let it cook just like that, and Mr. Belle will be right back. Okay, we're gonna look at it. We're gonna take this out right quick. This right here look like it's done and everything. I'm gonna take it out, put it on this paper towel right here. And this right here looks good. Like this, your party wings. It's Be good if you're watching TV or something like that. Have it for a knick-knack or something. But today, we're just gonna have with some vegetables and a little rice on the side. And enjoy. All right, take that out. And you know I didn't use all the time and everything, so I'm gonna press cancel. Still got 33 minutes left. So I've really only used 22 minutes because of the circulation. So, I'm unplugging, take that out, unplug it. I'm gonna move my camera back so we can look at it together and take a picture.
Yeah.
Okay, this is the party wings. I'm done frying it and everything. Add a little more season to it and everything. It's looking good. It's gonna be tasty. I'm gonna taste one of these and see how good it came out. It's hot, so I'm gonna try to get one that's too hot. As you see, it come right off the bone too. It is delicious. Nice and seasoned. Like I said, I cooked some before and it wasn't seasoned and everything. So I said, I'm gonna fry some in the Power XL, put a little season on it and everything. And it's just right. Tastes good. I'm gonna set this to the side. Set it to the side. And that's cooking with the Belle's. This is your party fried wings. That's cooking again with the Belle's. Thank you. If you like it, leave a comment in the box. If you don't know how to subscribe, that's all you have to do. Ching! Hit that bell and you subscribe to Mr. Belle Kitchen. Thank you for everything.